when you have orders that have not yet been charged and shipped, and there are sudden changes in the taxes you need to charge, you have to edit the taxes in WooCommerce settings. However, WooCommerce doesn't update orders with processing status. Normally, you would have to edit each order manually to recalculate the taxes individually, but that will be a tedious and time-consuming task. To help you with this, in this video, we'll show you how to bulk recalculate totals on orders that are pending payment using the WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin, which allows you to view and manage your WooCommerce orders using an intuitive spreadsheet. You can easily perform advanced searches and apply bulk edits with a few clicks. In addition, you can easily export your orders to Excel or Google Sheets, and import your orders to add new ones, or update existing ones. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The first step to bulk edit your orders is to select the ones that need to be edited. For this, let's open the search tool. Click here to enable the advanced filters. Now let's select the status field. Leave equal as the operator. And select the pending payment option here. Finally, run the search. Now all the pending payment orders will be displayed on the spreadsheet. After filtering the orders, you'll be ready to bulk edit their taxes. Now we just have to hover our mouse over the bulk edit tool, and we'll see several options, from which we should select the Recalculate Taxes one. This will open the bulk edit tool, where we just have to select the rows that we want to update. And execute to recalculate the taxes of all pending WooCommerce orders. This way, the taxes of all pending orders will be recalculated, and the totals will be updated automatically. Thanks to the WP Sheet Editor plugin, we have this easy way to recalculate taxes for hundreds of pending WooCommerce orders. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.